Hello, everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. All right, we're going to go over the markets. We had another bullish day today. All right, so equities were up. Dow, S&P, NASDAQ, and even the Russell was up. All right, so we'll go over the markets. We'll go over Forex. Lots of great opportunities in Forex. All right, so we'll go over that. So welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Hope you guys are in the Discord, in the community, taking advantage of all that good help that our traders are providing. Okay, so make sure you guys, you should see it there in the chat. All right, click on that link, sign up for the Discord. All right. All right. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Christina. Welcome. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go and get started. Let's take a look at big picture. All right. So we'll start with big picture on the equity markets. Okay. So, guys, the Dow, right? No surprise here. We are breaking resistance here on the Dow. These green candles here. Resistance is right here. We are moving higher on the weekly time frame. All right. So weekly time frame, buyers are in control. This is the markup phase. All right. Hey, Joseph, welcome. Joseph, welcome. All right. It's on the Dow. On the monthly time frame, same thing, guys. All right. So very bullish on the Dow, extremely bullish. All green candles making higher highs, higher lows, moving higher there on the Dow. So expect your large caps to follow. All right, big caps. On the S&P, same thing. We are breaking resistance here on the weekly time frame. All right, so weekly time frame, good job there on the S&P. On the monthly time frame, look at that, guys. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months. All right, straight up. All right. And if we count these here, all right, 12 months, almost straight up. All right. So great job, S&P. On the NASDAQ, guys, we have buy signal here. Here is resistance. All right. Retrace, held the trend line right here, held the moving average. Green candles, we need to break through that resistance. So, guys, we here on the S&P, we in all-time highs, brand new territory. All right, so we're making new highs every single day. Just about we're making new highs on the S&P and also on the Dow. Just amazing. Dow is at 42,200, guys. Amazing, amazing. Again, NASDAQ, we're looking to break through resistance right here. Well, let's call this the high. And on the monthly time frame, here we are breaking resistance here on the monthly time frame. Russell, all right, still trading within a range here, but we are looking to break through resistance here. Good price action. All right, see current week right here, and then current month right here. All right, so we just need to break through that resistance. VIX is coming down. So right now, VIX, low volatility in equities. That's good. Low volatility, very bullish for equities. Right now, we're at 1539. That's good. Okay. The Mag 7, so that Magnificent 7 stocks. Let's go through these quickly. This is good news, guys. NVIDIA gave a look here. Today, a green candle on NVIDIA. No, we don't have any buy signals yet, but that's good. We'll take this, right? So we don't have any red candles, sellers, nor white candles where we're kind of neutral. All right, we have a green candle. So we know buyers are coming in. If we break through that resistance right here, we'll get a buy signal on NVIDIA. So, right, so NVIDIA moves, guess what? The rest of the market will move, especially AI. All right, so NVIDIA looks good. Let's see, Tesla, guys, look at that. Tesla give a buy signal here, and we are breaking through that resistance on Tesla. Great price action. Apple, let's take a look at Apple. Buy signal here, holding. All right, this is on the daily time frame. All right, we have resistance here. We just need to break through that resistance and move higher. Good news is we have a buy signal. On Google, let's take a look here. Still trading between support and resistance. White candles here, so just holding. Meta, Facebook, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at that. Look at Meta, guys. Buy signal here, moving up nicely here. Just in time, coming in for the fourth quarter Christmas rally. We just cannot complain, all right, about this price action. Really good price action. We did have some selling here and here, but look, recovered nicely, and we are moving higher. All right, Microsoft. All right, Microsoft, same thing here. We are right at that resistance, all green candles. We just need to break through that resistance and give a buy signal. So, guys, the Max 7s holding really, really firm, all right? Good price action. The dollar index, we are watching the dollar right at that $100 mark. You guys know we've been watching this, all right? We had some alerts, dollar short pairs, all right? Hesitated to send those out, needed more confirmation, but we'll look for some trades this evening to short the dollar, short the dollar pairs, because guess what? That red candle here, all right, on the dollar index is shaping up nicely. Okay, support is here, first level of support, and then here, see here what happens, guys, when we get those red candles. So we're looking for, if it can close down for the month, I think this is on the month here, we should see some follow through. Pound yen, guys, nice recovery. Pound yen, you guys know pound yen and the yen pairs have been moving higher. All right, big congratulations to our monster scalper traders who, if you guys are taking advantage of these moves, great job. All right, on the weekly time frame, and here we are on the monthly time frame. We break through that big resistance going back all the way to 06, guys. Resistance here, support here, all right? Previous resistance becomes support right here and right here. So this area here, that's a big number. Remember, going back all the way to 2005, 2006. Okay, so if we break through that resistance, that could be a big move, all right? So just our monster scalper traders trading the yen pairs, just be aware of that. All right, we are expecting a larger move higher. All right, on the dollar index, we have good support here. All right, good support here. And like I said, we're looking for that dollar. It's at $100, looking for it to break through support here. Currently in the futures market, it's down. All right, so the dollar index is down in the futures market. So just be aware of that. All right, as far as volatility in Forex, we've got good volatility on the daily time frame, right? All these yellow numbers here, a number that's yellow and above 20 is good volatility. All right, if it's red and below 20, that means it's consolidating. So we've got good volatility in Forex on the daily time frame. Really good volatility on in Forex on the 240-minute time frame here, and on the 60-minute time frame, we've got good volatility here. All right, so across the board, good volatility. Keep an eye on the yen pairs, guys. We have some selling coming in on the yen pairs. All right, on the 60-minute, on the 240, holding firm. All right, and we know what's going on right now. We have selling on the daily time frame, but if we get buy-in, right, this is good, this is holding, we get buy-in to come in, that will change. And look here, Aussie Kiwi pairs, we have nice buy-in coming in here, and then red, right, in here, right? So sellers are in on the dollar pairs, so daily 240 and 60 minutes. So we'll definitely look to add positions, okay? In monster scalper short the dollar pairs. Okay, all right, so we have buy signals, guys. We looked at the big picture, all right, but near term daily time frame, right, on the Dow we got a buy signal here. We're moving up nicely. I'm sorry, on the S&P there. All right, so on the S&P, buy signal, breaking resistance. So we've called a buy in the equity markets, okay? So we have a buy bullish in the equity markets. On the Dow, same thing. All right, Dow buy signal here, retrace, moving up nicely on the Dow. So we're definitely bullish on equities. Our stock boss traders, bullmaster traders, bullmaster pro traders, you guys should be in trades. On the NASDAQ, we have a buy signal here, and here we are breaking through that resistance level right here on the NASDAQ. The Russell is still holding. Now, we don't need the Russell to call a buy signal. It would help, but we do have a buy signal on the Russell right here. I'm sorry, no buy signal, but we're holding resistance right here. At least we got good price action, right? We're trading right at resistance. No red candles, all right, to worry about. No sell signal. So Russell, that's the best we can hope for, all right? But we are moving higher right here. Price is moving higher. Here's a low here. Here's a low. Here's a low. Here's a low. Here's a low. Here's the price here. So we can see that it's moving higher. We just need to break through that resistance here. On the IWM, that is the Russell. Okay, again, VIX looks good at 1539. We're seeing the sectors are coming back in play. We had some of these that were neutral. Now they're going up again. We have two sectors that are down, energy and healthcare. Otherwise, very healthy buying in the sectors. Okay, let's take a look at current positions. All right, current positions in Monster Scalper. So we're going to look through current positions, all right, that we've called alerts that we've called to our Monster Scalper traders. We'll start with the 60-minute time frame. All right, we'll start with New Zealand dollar. So New Zealand dollar, 60-minute time frame, buy signal here. Good price action, guys. Hopefully you guys are taking advantage of this move. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely. As the dollar index and the dollar pairs move lower, these inverse pairs, all right, will move higher. And I think, who was it? Anthony talked about getting in, I think, the Aussie dollar. So Kiwi dollar, Aussie dollar, expect those to go higher. Pound dollar, even Euro dollar, keep an eye on those, okay? New Zealand CAD, buy signal here. Good price action. We are definitely in the markup phase here. Buy signal here. All green candles. Continue to let it move higher. All right. Look into breakthrough near-term resistance right here. Now let's go to the yen pairs. All right. We call these new buy signals in the yen pairs. I think New Zealand yen was running already. Buy signal here. Good price action. Good markdown phase. Look at that. We get into that resistance here. Just remember, guys, as we get higher near that resistance level, keep an eye on it. All right, if sellers come in like they did here, close the trade. Otherwise, let it run. So New Zealand yen, Aussie yen, buy signal here, trading up nicely. Swiss yen, we'll go through this quickly. Swiss yen, buy signal here, a bit of a pullback. Keep an eye on it. We do have green candles, buyers coming in here. Keep an eye on it, please. Purple support and resistance. Pound yen, all right, pound yen, buy signal here. All right. Holding. Keep an eye on this. We have a lot of sellers here. See here, sellers are here. And we're high in the markup phase. So we had the previous trade. We bought here, sold here, buy signal here. So it might be getting extended here. Keep an eye on it. Pound yen. Singapore dollar yen, SGD, JPY. Same thing, guys. Buy signal here. Red candle here. We're going to close it. Okay, so red candle. We use these red candles as sell signals also, so close it. SGD, JPY. All right, CAD yen. All right, buy signal here. That's holding. All right, HKD, close the trade. Buy signal here. Red candle, sell signal. Your white arrow here, close the trade. Please, this can go much lower. So we have red candles. We see these sellers come in. Get out quickly because this is what could happen here. Okay, so make sure you get out, close the trade, clean things up. All right, dollar yen, same thing here. Buy signal here, sell signal, red candle, close the trade, please. Okay, so we're seeing selling come in in these yen pairs. All right, so ZAR yen. All right, buy signal here. Red candle came in on that 60-minute time frame. So close the trade, please. All right. So we have a few yen pairs still left. Those yen pairs that are open, keep an eye on those. Okay. Keep an eye on those on the 60-minute time frame. No shorts on the 60-minute. We probably should have added some dollar shorts. All right, I looked at them this morning and just needed more confirmation on the dollar index. Okay, but it looks like good trades going here. We do have a couple here on the 60-minute on the 240 short dollar pairs. Let's take a quick look. All right, look at dollars all here. So USD HUF, guys. All right, so short here, green candle here. So we've got to close the trade, buy to cover USD HUF. All right, USDN, okay, should be holding firm. Right, so short signal here, breaking through that resistance. Support, good support here, breaking through, good price action. So we'll take a look at dollar short this evening. If I forget, please remind me. Dollar short. All right, on the 60-minute and the 240. Okay. All right. So definitely want to look for opportunities there. Okay. All right. Long positions in Monster Scalper on the 240. So on the 240-minute time frame. We did add some alerts in Forex Dominator. So we'll take a look at those also. We've got time. Okay. All right. So Aussie dollar, guys, on the 240-minute long. All right, good trade here. Aussie dollar buy signal here. Look at that for lots of pips, guys. About 150 pips there. So good trade going, 150% roughly. Aussie CAD. All right, another good trade. Buy signal here, moving up nicely there. Aussie CAD, all green candles, nothing to do. All right, we've gotten past resistance here, and we're moving up higher here. Okay. Aussie Swiss, another good trade here. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, getting past sellers here. All right, so we get excited when price breaks through resistance, and we're getting past resistance here, getting past sellers here. Aussie Swiss on the 240-minute time frame there. Aussie New Zealand, close the trade, please. Buy signal here. Red candle broke support. Right here is support. Red candle broke support. White arrow here. Sell signal to get out. Close the trade, please. Okay, so Aussie Swiss, close the trade, please. New Zealand dollar. Look at New Zealand dollar. All right, talked about, hey, when they break through that resistance, that's good news. Remember, sellers are sitting at resistance, but buyers are also sitting here at resistance, and they came in strong. All right, came in really, really strong today. So buy signal here, good markdown phase, buy signal markup phase, and they came in really strong on a break of resistance. So very nice. USD NZD, and if the dollar continues to move lower, guys, right, NZD, Aussie dollar, right, so New Zealand dollar, Aussie dollar, pound dollar, and even euro dollar could move much higher. Okay. All right. So remember that trade. This might be the next trade. I know we've been trading the yen pairs, guys, and the Aussie Kiwi pairs, but the dollar short, that might be the next great trade. We'll see. No guarantees, but we'll see. New Zealand CAD, right? Buy signal here. Look, we're breaking through that resistance there. So don't be in a hurry to close at resistance. Just pay attention. New Zealand Swiss, buy signal here, all green candles. We're moving up nicely there. All right. And now the yen pairs. New Zealand yen. All right. Great trade going here. buy signal. Here's your markdown phase. All right, so that's your sellers waited until we had confirmation that the buyers were in, and now we're moving up into the markup phase. So all green candles, nothing to do there. New Zealand yen. And then we have Swiss yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Remember, you bring in your lines. Aussie yen, buy signal here, moving up nicely. So although some of these are closing, guys, on your 60-minute time frame, remember, that's a shorter time frame. You're going to have more volatility, more noise on that 60-minute time frame. On the 240, it's going to hold that trade most of the time better for you. All right, so euro yen, buy signal here, holding. Pound yen, we'll go through this quickly. Buy signal here, holding. We have sellers right here. Okay, right up here. We can see that resistance there. SGD JPY, buy signal here, holding. CAD yen, buy signal here, holding. All right. I've got to get past all of these resistance consolidation in here. Good markdown phase, good markup phase. HKD JPY, buy signal here. Keep an eye on this one, guys. We got white candles there. Keep an eye on it. TRY JPY, same thing. White candles here. If it continues to move lower, break to that support right here, we would get a sell signal. All right, USD JPY, did I say it? Okay, holding. TRY, and then ZAR yen. All right, great trade going here with ZAR yen, guys. Buy signal here. We are breaking resistance right here. So nothing to change. Did we change what? A couple of them? Did we change any? All right. So ZAR yen, great trade. We have a lot of trades on the 240. Not a lot of shorts on the 60 and the 240, but that might change tonight. All right. All right. Forex Dominator. We've got some long positions in Forex Dominator. All right. On the daily time frame, let's take a look at those. All right. New Zealand CAD, guys. Buy signal here. Moving up, guys. Finally, New Zealand CAD, right? Broke out yesterday and breaking out today. Aussie CAD, all right, buy signal here, moving up nicely on the daily. New Zealand Swiss, new buy signal here, good markdown phase, markup, buy signal here. Join your lines, please. New Zealand dollar, buy signal here, moving up nicely, finally breaking out, guys. Aussie dollar, same thing, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Very choppy in here. All right, but this is the trade, right? We wanted to break through that resistance, okay? And then pound dollar. Remember I said, guys, this pound dollar, all right, euro dollar, all right, Aussie dollar, all right, as they move, as the dollar index moves lower, these inverse pairs will move higher. That's exactly what they're doing, okay? All right, we do have long positions in Stock Boss. Let's go through these quickly. All right, so Stock Boss for stocks, small caps. All right, remember these follow the Russell, the IWM. So we'll go through this quickly, okay? Just to make sure that they're holding firm, that we have buyers. Okay, guys? Just remember that. Okay? So IAG, that's holding firm. All right. SPNG, buy signal here. Look at that, guys. Here is your selling. We'll let someone else buy it all the way up here at $8. All right? We'll buy it down here. All right? At $1.09. Remember, these are small caps, cheap stocks. Okay? All right, we need the Russell index to move for this to move. So PSNY, all right, good price action there. All right, that's holding. All right, holding. All right, good buy signal there, holding. Keep an eye on MRSN, a bit of a pullback there. Holding. WOOF, holding. ULCC, guys, good buy signal. All right, lots of good selling. That's what we want. Good markdown phase, right? Buy signal right here on a break of this resistance all the way down here. Great trade set up there. And then the last one, that's the last one here for Stock Boss. Okay. All right, so Bull Master. So these are large caps. So remember, Stock Boss under $10. All right, Bull Master over 10. But again, the S&P and the NASDAQ, that's what we need for large cap stocks. Okay, so all right, so let's just go through this quick. We have a lot, guys. We're looking for, if we have green candles, we just hold in. If we have white candles, we'll pay attention to those. Red candles or sell signal, we'll need to get out. Okay, so just making sure they're all holding firm. White candle, NOVA, guys, white candles here. We are in a good markup phase. Okay, let's take a look at resistance. Sellers are right here. Boy, keep an eye on that one. Okay, we need buyers to come back in, get a red candle or sell signal, close the trade. But this is tricky here. We are near a resistance level here. All right, so it might be done. Keep an eye, close eye, very close eye on it. Okay. Holding, holding, holding. Oh, good price action. Holding, good price action. Holding, holding, holding. Firm, holding, firm. Holding, 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 firm. Good price action. Look at you. All right. Good markdown phase. Buy signal here. Buy signal, guys, came in at 18.29. Trading now at 23.19. All right. Good trade there. Symbol U. Good price action. Good. All right. ZIP, guys. White candles there. Keep an eye on it, please. And I think that's it. For Bullmaster trading system. Now, Bullmaster Pro, we need to add, guys. All right. So definitely we need to add ADMA, holding Amazon. Holding, buy signal here on Amazon. Cover holding, Meta, Facebook, that's holding. SN, that's holding. And Tesla is holding firm. If we get a chance, we'll take a look at Bull Master Pro. So we'll get to the dollar index, the dollar pairs first. If we have time, we'll go through. Look for some opportunities in Bull Master Pro. Okay, what time is it? Okay. Our US 30 traders, NAS 100 traders, our futures traders. All right, and the S&P let's take a quick look here. So we call the buy signal here on the US 30. Very choppy, guys. Okay, very choppy. Buy signal here in a tight consolidation, but we've got green candles. All right, so we haven't called a close yet of the trade, just holding here. But remember, on the 60-minute time frame, I know some of you will trade on the smaller time frames. That's fine. Just make sure you go in the direction of the trend. Buy signal here. All right, good price action on the daily time frame. USD. All right, I'm sorry. Monster NAS 100. All right, same thing here. We got a buy signal here. We got a buy signal that failed, but we have a buy signal here. Okay, and that's holding here. We need to break through resistance here on the daily, and this will move higher. And on the S&P 500, same thing. All right, just holding at resistance here. Do we have data coming out tomorrow? Let's see here. So tomorrow is what? Wednesday? No data tomorrow. Wednesday the 25th, right? So Wednesday the 25th, no data, but we've got data coming out on Thursday and Friday. Okay, but no data, guys, overnight in any of the markets. All right, so no data in the New York session and in the Euro session, and none this evening in the Asian session. Okay, all righty. So monster scalper, let's find some short opportunities, okay, to go short on the 60-minute time frame with the dollar pairs. All right, so dollar ZAR. Hold on. All right, dollar ZAR sell short signal is here. Okay, we're in. I'm sorry, dollar NOK. We do have a sell short going on the 240, and we have one going on the daily. We're going to add this one here on the 60-minute. Now I know that sell short signal came in right here, all right, but we'll go ahead and call it. Be careful though, because it's a bit extended, but we're looking at support right here, right here. Here is the trade right here. All right, yellow support and resistance, so be aware of that. So USD and OK short on the 60-minute. Okay. All right, MXN, nothing yet. All right, guys, we're going to call USD DKK. All right, USD DKK. Sell short signal here, moving lower. Okay. This is a bit tricky. This is why I hesitate. Because it's breaking through that resistance support right here, but we have yellow support and resistance. All right, that's never good when we're looking to move lower. However, though, this could have been setting up a reversal to go long. All right, so a bit tricky there, but we'll call it. Guys are going to trade shortly. Trade carefully. Same thing, USD CZK. Short on the 60. Okay, sell short signal here, moving lower nicely. USD CNH, so short here, holding. All right, holding firm. That's extended, guys, so we won't call this. And then USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. Oh, dollar Swiss. We'll call dollar Swiss, all right. USD CHF short on the 60. Okay, those of you who day trade or scalp, you might be able to find some opportunities also. Okay, all right. Dollar CAD, that's extended. Okay, so dollar CAD is extended there. On the 240, that's extended on the 240. Okay. All right. All right, so we have some shorts on the 60-minute time frame. Quick look at the 240, which is right here. So USD SGD on the 240. So USD SGD short on the 240. Okay. All right. So here's your sell short signal. Really good sell short signal on the break of support, purple support and resistance. All right. Good trade going here. SGD. USD SEK on the 240. USD SEK short. So we're finally getting trades, guys, in Forex Dominator, okay? We're going to call this one also. Had to force to get out here, getting back in there. USD PLN short. Short 240. That's extended. All right. Dollar CAD, that's extended here also. Good trades, guys. All right, that's on the 240. All right, so we probably missed a couple. All right. All right, so we see sellers coming in here. Keep an eye on this. Let's take a quick look here. All right, we don't have any major concern with the yen pairs selling a little. All right, if that continues though, the selling continues, that might be a concern, okay? All right, so we have enough time. Let's go through. We'll run Stock Boss. Let's see. Just to see how many symbols we have. So 27 in Stock Boss. That's not good. All right, that's a low amount. 27 in Stock Boss. We track over 22,000 stocks. 73 in Bull Master. All right, I was expecting more given the bullishness of the market. All right, but it is what it is. Let's look for some opportunities in Bull Master Pro with fundamentals. Okay, we'll go through these quickly. Let's look at relative strength at highs. All right, so let's go through some of these symbols here. All right, really good. I know you guys can see this. Hold on. Let me move this here. Right. Let's move the chart right here for now. Okay, so we'll go through these. We're trying to find stocks, right? These are large caps, and mega cap. And we're looking for buy signals on the daily time frame. So they're definitely moving. Let's open this up a bit. You guys can see they're definitely moving there. Nothing here, nothing here. That's extended. Extended. Okay, so nothing here. Let's try new highs. All right, so we'll add ARIS long in Bull Master Pro. Okay. And these are new highs. MOD long in Bull Master Pro. And guys, look at the monthly over here. All right, that's the daily here. Look at the monthly. All right, really good price action here on the monthly time frame. Okay. Hold on. All right, daily time frame, good price action. So MOD. Let's see if we can add a few more. All right. Buy signal came in today. Good buy signal. CMRE. Now, with these stocks, these are large caps with good fundamentals, guys. So, you know, we don't have to pay as much. We always pay attention to the charts, okay? But we know if they're coming out of here, right, with a buy signal like this, your markdown phase, that's pretty good, okay? This one is setting up SHIP long Bullmaster Pro buy signal came in yesterday. Waiting for a buy signal here. This one buy signal breaking through that resistance. Good weekly and good daily time frame. You guys can see that chart right here. Monthly chart is right here. Okay. All right. Go through a few more. CRL, Royal, is that Royal Caribbean? So RCL, I'm sorry. RCL, long Bullmaster Pro. All right. Remember, these are stocks with really good fundamentals. VRT, long Bullmaster Pro. We got a buy signal right here, guys, moving up nicely. See what's happening here? All right, they're moving up. All right, CSWI, long Bullmaster Pro. All right, TW, Bullmaster Pro long. So we add in some. We'll be done, guys. Another 5 more minutes, we'll be done. All right. That's gone. All right. SF, long Bullmaster Pro. All right, Amazon. All right, AMZN, Amazon, Bullmaster Pro. Good buy signal on a break of resistance. All right, BAH, long Bullmaster Pro. PI, PR. Okay. All right, and we'll call that, all right, we've got about a little more than 10. Okay, that's fine for now, okay? All right, so we've got stocks in Stock Boss, Bullmaster, and now Bullmaster Pro. All right. So guys, overnight, keep an eye on the dollar index. Okay, so especially our forex traders that are shorting. If you're shorting the dollar pairs, keep an eye. And we've been talking about this. No surprise. We are looking for that dollar index to break through that support here. We're trading at $100. Now, the momentum is to go lower because price and sellers are holding support right here, guys. So there's a good chance we could break through that support. All right. So if that happens, we can see a move in the dollar short. It's currently down. Keep an eye on that. Wants to break that short right here. Okay. Now, if the dollar moves lower, you guys will notice that the pound pairs, right, they can continue to move higher. All right. So a little bit of a selling in the yen pairs, all right, little bit of selling, but that could certainly change, and we could see the yen pairs move higher. Just keep in mind, overall, the big picture on the yen pairs, we want to move higher. We do have near-term resistance right here on the weekly time frame for pound yen. Okay, just sitting right there, guys, but it does, wants to break out. Okay, so just be aware of that. Be aware of that. Again, right, our US 30 traders, right, US 30 traders right here, all right, the market wants to move higher, all right, the market wants to move higher. We are very bullish, okay, we're setting up here. We have data coming out tomorrow. No data tomorrow, so Thursday, what do we have? Unemployment claims on Thursday, and then PCE on Friday. So just be aware of that. Okay, guys, just be aware of that. Good trading, though, not bad trading. We do have volatility. We do have volume. All right, so a good environment to trade. Things are not consolidating like they were a few months back, right, when it was difficult to trade. So take advantage. Let's say that. Take advantage of the markets right now. We know there are times when it consolidates. So now that it's moving, take advantage of equities, futures, and Forex. Okay, and the trading system. So Monster Scalper, Stock Boss, Bullmaster, US 30, NAS 100. Okay, all right, guys. Thanks for coming. I'll see you guys on Thursday. And remember to, we have great traders on the Discord, guys, on the trading community. So make sure you guys get on there. Okay, take care. Have a good evening. Thanks for